It looks like I've got a snore on my hands. Someone's not too happy that I'm talking. Oh gosh. So funny. She can do it again. Just wait a second. She'll do it. Oh man, she woke up. Hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Don't just glare at it. You won't kill it by glaring. Say hello. Hello. We caught you snoring. That's why she's grumpy. Well, I just thought I would show you all my funny kitty snoring, because I never got to catch that and my camera was right next to me. So I decided to grab it and videotape. Now she's all grumpy at me. Anyways, see you later, and don't forget to spread the word on my mission Tom Felton to my winter ball. Thanks, and see you later.